Um, so let me see here. Tariffs. Hansel says tariffs are causing layoffs. So many are being laid off in New York City and South Carolina. Um, yeah, I cannot speak on that. I don't have direct experience with that, so I really can't speak on whether or not. I don't know that tariffs will be very good or very bad. I cannot speak on it, but that's unfortunate if that's happening. Facebook user says, "What's going to be at stake? What's going to be a stake of cyber job market coming when Trump comes?" Okay, I think I understand what you're saying. You're saying what's going to be at stake when what's going to happen with this cybersecurity job market when Trump comes to power. I mean, I think first of all, the economy is going to take a while from the industry I'm in, right? So the stock market's different. So I think this is just from what I've seen. So Trump in the last administration, right? If that's any indication of what's about to happen, the last time he was in office, he heavily deregulates and helps big business. Like he lowers their taxes and then gets stuff out of their way so that they can do whatever the hell they need to do. And that does a couple things. It helps the company make more money, which the company normally you would think that they would like spread the wealth, but normally what happens is the people at the top, the executives, they end up getting these gigantic raises. So any kind of C level execs are going to get a gigantic raise. Mark my words. Keep watching. So if you are in a C level exec role or a director level, something like that, you're going to get a gigantic raise if the company does better. I notice another thing is that the NASDAQ does really well. Like right now, it's blowing up because the people's confidence in the companies goes crazy for a while when Trump's in office. Now it's going to go up and down like crazy, right? So I think that the FANG corporations will do well for a while and they'll start hiring more. And people will be all happy and stuff. And then something will happen to where it dips. Right? There'll be what do they call it? Irrational exuberance. And then it'll blow up the stock market. And then all these jobs from FANG are going to come in. FANG stands for Facebook, Apple, Alphabet, Netflix, and Google. I think I already said Alphabet twice. Apple. I think I'm forgetting one. Amazon. So all of those gigantic blue chips, $1 trillion companies are going to blow up because they're stock markets. They're based off stocks. The other jobs, like I've been working in GovTech, so I'm not really affected by them unless I have 401k. Like you might want to get into the 401k. You might want to get in the stock market, by the way, because it's about to go crazy up and crazy down. So what I think is going to happen with the cybersecurity job market is on the FANG side, it's going to get a little bit bigger for a while, for a minute, for a couple years, maybe right after he gets elected for like maybe another year or two, whatever. And then I think that there'll be a restructuring of the government sector because that's what they said they're going to do. But I don't think that restructuring is going to happen till the end of his term. I think he comes in, he immediately starts saying, we're going to do this with the DHS. We're going to do that with FDA. We're going to do this, that. And then it's going to take like 2 years for that to even happen because government is super slow. It's going to take like 2 years. So that's 2025, 2026, and then it'll start in 2027. And by that time, they're going to be talking about a new election. And so that's what I think will happen. I don't think it's going to go down. I don't think the job market's going to go down. I think it'll shift around and if hopefully get better, but we'll see.